Okay, back to fake no more on the root cause that leads you not to be radically authentic. And I talked about professionalism in the last video with link to that is linked to imperfections. And there we go. Now we are about the professional mask hiding your personality at work, your humanity at work. So what you want is you desire respect. And so you need a serious persona. And seriousness is detached from personality. So you suppress your personality, right? It's like personality doesn't equate seriousness. It's like you need to be impersonal to be serious, right? Cold. So then you feel disconnected. So you believe that professionalism equal and emotional. So you hide your humor, for instance, your hobbies, your true personality, because it's linked to emotions, to love, to, all that, those feelings, those uplifting feelings. So you check that out the door, and you operate then like a robot, focus on the task, on doing the work and nothing more. But then you struggle to create genuine connections with colleagues, and in communication. When you're genuine, then the level of information that is provided flows more. It's more accurate, it's improved. So in the end, your professionalism and your seriousness, your lack of authenticity, therefore, is getting in the way of your communication and therefore of your work, of your professionalism, your efficiency at work. Because you want to be stoic, to be taken seriously, and you want to remain focused on the work, on the skills solely. But in the end, it just projects distance. And somehow, when we see distance in communication or exchanges, we tend to pull back a little and to share less of information. And so, if you share less of information, then it means that you are losing information. And information is important in our economy because we are an information based economy. So, the professionalism and the lack of authenticity, then it gets in the way of your work. Once again, that's another aspect of it, another way of how you can be seen. So how you can improve this, it's by integrating some small details of your personal work, personal life into your work. For instance, if something at work reminds you of something that happened in your life, then it can enrich the conversation. Like in design, we are based on personal life, on human lives. So if you share a bit of humanity, a bit of yourself, small detail, it doesn't need to be your entire life, but a small detail, then it can just broaden the perspective and open up ideas, the field of ideas. It can inject more creativity within the communication, which is a proof as well of professionalism, because you know how to expand the potentials. And if you expand the potentials, then there are more opportunities that can be injected within your business, within your professional activity. And it's as well a way for you to be more versatile. And versatility is a proof of professionalism and seriousness as well, right? So then you're going to see that your work is going to be more fulfilling and that you're going to be less stressed, because pushing yourself down increase stress as well, because you feel that you have to suppress a part of yourself. So you have to work on suppressing that part of yourself, on suppressing yourself. And when you work on suppressing yourself, then it stresses you out and it creates anxiety, and you cannot process a part of what you are going through on a daily basis. And if you cannot process what's going on with yourself, if you cannot check in with yourself, then it creates stress, and the stress in turn gets in the way of your work because it eats you up mentally. And so it depletes your energy. And that energy that's depleted is not dedicated to the task. All right. So those are reasons for you to work on being more authentic at work as a way to improve your professionalism. So to fake a bit less the person that you are, the professional that you are, to allow yourself to be more authentically professional so that you will decrease your professionalism. All right? Have fun and much love.